Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Playback is not working or starting properly on your Google Chrome web browser, and it tells you to go ahead and restart your device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Google Chrome web browser and select the menu icon at the top right corner of the browser window, and go ahead and select Settings. Select on the left side where it says Advanced, go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select System. On the right side underneath System where it says Use Hardware Acceleration when available, go ahead and toggle that to the off position. And then select Relaunch. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.